Hi friends, it's Liz here. Welcome back to my channel. Today I am sharing my design project for my Porch prints, and I had so much fun putting this journal together. So let's get started. I'll just give you some details on what I've done. And all the links to everything I've used will be below in the description box. So what I did with this journal is I got this really giant paper bag from my friend Stacy. Hi Stacy. And I have to show you guys some additional pieces that she has sent me. There's like a whole large Happy Mail that I'll be sharing with you guys that she sent me. But I was, oh my God, I had to grab that paper bag and start using it. So this is what I've come up with. So I did take out my sewing machine, and I don't know if you'll be able to tell, but I did some stitching on the edges. There's this beautiful little applique here with the flowers and the beads, and I just kind of layered it with lace, and I did kind of like my shabby notebook or my shabby journal look, you know, the torn pages one. That's kind of what inspired this as well. So as you can see, it's got a very shabby kind of, oh my gosh, I just love it. I just love how it turned out. So I did add the closure, which is Sari silk, and I love it so much because I thought it matched. And this is what it looks like inside, you guys. So I love it. So I've got a pocket in the front, and that is part of the guest check tags. I forgot the name of them, but I'll link them below. And these are just gorgeous pieces of ephemera that come with the kit. In the back here, I've added a layaway tag, and this is from Janine's shop at J9 Scraps. I love using those tags. So you can see here, the pages, I've coffee stained everything. I've got a mixture of, you know, book pages and just regular pages to use. I love how this turned out. So this is a book page. These tabs were inspired by Mrs. Cog. I saw a video recently of how she did these tabs, and I was so inspired to try them. So I did that there. So you can see here, this page has just beautiful colors. I was playing again with some spray paints and stuff, or spray inks, I should say. And as you can see, the kit is just beautiful. So I added a pocket here, and then the back also has a little tuck spot. This is a vintage book page. So you can see this beautiful piece. I just did like little layering of, you know, things here and there. This envelope here, I do have a video showing you guys how I made it. It's the doily vintage style envelope. And I added a postcard from the kit, and then another journaling card there as well. I just love how it turned out. For this also, I added a little bit of those leaves with the flowers and the beads. I just think it's beautiful. And I may add a little bit of ribbon to the paper clips. I forgot to do that before showing you the video. You can just see how gorgeous this kit is, right? This is unbleached paper. And then just little bits of things here and there, again with those really nice tabs. Love all the different ephemera that is included in these. I think I used 2 different kits, or maybe 3 different ones. Love how that came out. See the doily imprint, and then this is like a nice tuck spot. I think I've got it right there. And you can see again the staining, how beautiful it turned out. It's got a pocket there. And then this pocket is really deep there, but I just added that piece. One of the coin envelopes. I left it open, so if you want to do some journaling, you can in there as well. Another little tuck spot. And I have used my sewing machine a lot in this journal, which I love because now I've got it set up in a spot where it's more user friendly. So here's one of those Tim Holtz pockets, and it's got just a bunch of ephemera bits. So you can see there. I just love this little pocket. You can put so much in there. And I like to add extra journaling spots where I can. So this one opens up, and then you've got the little card in there, or the tag, I should say. Just look at the beautiful staining. I love how it came out. And then this one is just beautiful image, as you can see there. Love, love, love it. And I'm not sure if I'll be listing this. If you don't see it listed, shoot me an email and I'll let you know. I fell in love with it again, you guys. It's so hard for me to get rid of my stuff sometimes. But I do have something that I'm going to be sharing with you guys soon, and hopefully this will help some of you. I'll tell you that in a second. And you can see here I left the back as a big, large paper bag opening. So what I wanted to say is I've started a new thing for my consignment shop. I shouldn't say thing, a new feature for my shop, and that is a layaway plan. So if you happen to see, 1, 2, or 3 pieces or more that you're interested in purchasing, but you're not sure if you can afford everything right away, shoot me an email. Let me know what you would be interested in. You would have to put down a deposit. We'll chat about it a little later. But you can definitely get pieces that you want to purchase and have more access to doing that. So any more questions about that, please let me know. Send me an email. I hope you enjoyed this share, and I'll talk to you guys later. Bye-bye.